Attorneys for an Alpharetta man say they plan to file a lawsuit after Alpharetta police released a canine on him in his front yard this weekend.
Travis Moya's lawyers say he was suffering a mental health crisis. And as Fox 5's Claire Sims reports, they believe the use of force was unjustified.
We want to warn you that some of the images in this story are graphic.
Travis Moya's attorneys here in Atlanta say it is clear from the video that he was not resisting arrest, and they say that canine shouldn't have even been on the scene.
A 5-year-old child had to watch her dad be torn apart and a dog walk away with flesh hanging out of its mouth. Because he didn't do anything.
Cami Moya breaks down as attorney L.Chris Stewart describes the scene outside her home Sunday. The family's attorneys claim her husband, Travis Moya, had a mental health crisis, and a neighbor helped her call 911 to ask for an ambulance. Instead, Alpharetta police responded, and when attorneys claim Moya questioned why they had put him in handcuffs, video shows them take him to the ground and a canine handler release his dog on the 36-year-old. Fulton County jail records show police charged Moya with willful obstruction of law enforcement officers by use of threats or violence, a felony.
So we are demanding today that the Fulton County District Attorney dismiss the charges against Mr. Moya.
The district attorney is aware of the situation from a conversation with Mr. Stewart and Mr. Griggs. The office will collect the evidence in the case, a spokesperson said in a statement. After it is evaluated, a decision about whether charges will be sought against anyone involved will be made. Alpharetta police released a statement to Fox 5 saying this incident, like any other use of force, is going through a use of force review protocol and being reviewed.
If they're saying they're doing their normal review process and they plan on coming out next week saying that it was an unjustified use of force, the officers are fired, terminated, DA has opened an investigation, and the city is planning on settling the civil lawsuit, then we'll be happy with that result.
Moya's attorneys say they plan to file a lawsuit sometime next week. In Atlanta, Claire Sims, Fox 5 News.